we're actually doing a packathon to prepare welcome packages for international teachers. This is a way to let them know that we're excited to have them and that we're excited to have them working with us. We appreciate them, we welcome them, and we're going to support them throughout the school year. International teachers are here as a result of a cultural exchange program. So the aim is for them to share their culture, share their knowledge and their skills to help our students be global citizens. And they're all levels. This year we have approximately 41. They're from the Philippines, Jamaica, Colombia, Ghana, Peru, Spain, and Argentina. I am originally an international teacher. I came here in 2003, and I know the challenges that come when you're coming to a new space, a new country. We decided, why not create welcome packages that they'll receive on arriving here? And these welcome packages are things that they need. When they come here, it's usually one suitcase. But we're doing informed packages where they are able to find where's the supermarket, where's the hospital. So we're giving them all these things day one, knowing that they have our support. I mean, leaving your own country to a place that you don't know, to see people, to go in classrooms with a different culture, with different type of kids, different teaching styles. So getting this is just a good start to say, wow, they appreciate me. So they're not just taking me from my country, but they're showing me that they love me. We have, as you see, paper products. We have supplies for the bathroom. We have a lot of canned goods, the basic things that we know they will need once they arrive. I think this world is smaller than it is, and I think that it's just a warm opportunity that we can work together as a team. I think this day has proven that Gaston County School System, we are a community, we are a team.